Falmouth residents to benefit from upgraded health facilities, and cabinet members pay their last respects as the late Agriculture Minister Roger Clark is laid to rest. This is Jamaica House Weekly with Stacey Ann Smith. State Minister in the Office of the Prime Minister Luther Buchanan brought good news to residents of Falmouth Trelawney last week when he provided an update on work being done to improve healthcare in the parish. Minister Buchanan is responsible for primary healthcare and rural development. While on a tour in the parish, he said construction on the operating theatre at Falmouth General Hospital was moving apace.
Work is currently underway and is expected to be completed early September. There and then, we should be able to commission the use of the new theatre here at the Falmouth Hospital to serve our clients in a more modern and high-tech operating theatre.
In addition, a communication system is being installed at a cost of $21.9 million, while $15.3 million is being spent on the air conditioning system. Elsewhere in Trelawney, Minister Buchanan said the Ulster Spring Health Centre's sewage treatment plant and dental unit should both be upgraded by December. And the minister said $31 million is being spent to refurbish the Falmouth Health Department under the Sugar Transformation Project. Jamaica House remained in a state of mourning this past week as preparations were made to bid a final farewell to the Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries, Roger Clark. Minister Clark passed away on August 28 at age 74 in the United States after successfully completing back surgery. In Parliament last Tuesday, Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller delivered a rousing tribute to the late Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries.
We remember the life and service of an important pillar of the government of Jamaica. His selfless service to the people reminds me that Roger never asked what this country could do for him. Roger was always eager to know what he could do for Jamaica and for the Jamaican people.
Mrs. Simpson-Miller and members of her cabinet accompanied family members and other officials to the Norman Manley International Airport to receive the minister's body on Wednesday. The Prime Minister was also among a number of persons from all walks of life who went to view his body at the People's National Party headquarters last Thursday. During a tribute at Minister Clark's funeral on Saturday, Prime Minister Simpson-Miller described her fallen comrade as a friend, defender and protector.
Roger, you were my sunshine on many rainy days and my anchor through many political storms. Roger Clark was one of my best political allies. This man among men was my political guardian. He was my guardian angel and defender, and he made no secret of it. I thank him for believing in me, for loving me, and for supporting me, and was always there for me.
Later, Mrs. Simpson-Miller traveled the 14-mile journey from St. George's Church in Savlamar to Roger Clark's final resting place, his hometown in Glen Eiley, Westmoreland. And that's it for this week's edition of Jamaica House Weekly. We return next week with the latest stories coming out of the Office of the Prime Minister.